crazy. You're crazy. If I was Coco, where would I be? At Crazyland. Coco, can I get close to you? No, I cannot without you going like cock-a-doodle-doo. Anyway, this is my first bird that I'm going to show you. I'm actually going to show you 3 birds. Well, in the third bird, there's going to be multiple birds in the thing that we're going to. Okay, on to the next bird. It's our second bird. 1 second, time to go to the third.
Teenage boy.
Sorry this is taking so long. They're kind of far away from the other birds. But these birds are adorable. I don't know if you can guess what they are right now, but they are adorable. And ta-da! They're chickens! And they're a baby, and they're a chicken, and there's a chicken mama and a baby, and the baby chickens! Hi, Rooster. Baby chickens. The baby chickens are kind of hard to see right now because it's kind of bright, but as you can see, that little guy right there, those couple little guys, there's the water, and they go up into a coop, and we have black chickens. We actually only have one big white rooster, but you can see they're all hanging out together. How cute. But they used to always get out, so me and my big brother used to always have to get them back in to their place, cause yeah, they kept getting out from right here. There's a door right here, and they kept sneaking out, and that's not good, cause our cat hangs out here a lot, and I'm sure you can guess what happens if our cat sees them. Here. Good look. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. They're adorable. Okay.